Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, you may remember from about 10 days ago, give or take, I was looking at Coinbase with you, and I was telling you that this is something that I think is setting up for a good bullish breakout, and we're really starting to see that off of the moves that we saw yesterday, and then further into today. So, if you're new to the Voodoo Line study set, the thing that I would tell you is the red horizontals are going to be the most important. We will use the others as dividing points in between them, points to mark progress. But this is how I like to mark off my horizontals, my support, and what I think will eventually be resistance. But remember that this area up here at 368 is not only potential resistance, but very well could be a magnetic target. And there's just a lot of things here that I think traders should like. You know, the first part is you're above the 5 and 10 EMA. If we were in a reversion to the mean kind of market, the 21 could be tested, but at least for now, this shows more momentum holding above those faster moving averages. Then you look at it from a point, and you can be, I guess, somewhat flexible in where you draw this horizontal, but this is an area that has been sold. It is very clearly a horizontal of supply, and when you have been selling off from it, you would make a low. And then in this case, you made a higher low. And then here, again, a higher low. So it is a flagging pattern that to me has breakout potential, has a chance of moving up into that 368 as a magnet. And then once I have that foundation through moving averages and through the voodoo lines, then I come back to the squeeze. You know, I really prefer, and most of the time, just run daily charts. But if the squeeze is the foundation of directional movement, you don't really have a daily squeeze there. However, if you divide that daily bar into just a couple of sections, now we see a very clean 195-minute squeeze and a pattern that I think, again, above 340 has some room. I think you can take that into December and January, and there should be a little bit more to be had. So I hope you're already in it. If not, there's a little bit more to get, and I think you can use that as we get into the end of the year. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.